Ever wonder what's happening inside you right now at this very moment? What intricate processes are constantly unfolding, keeping you alive and functioning? Your body is made of trillions of tiny cells, the fundamental units of life, each like a citizen in a bustling city, working tirelessly to maintain order and harmony. These cells constantly communicate, sharing information and coordinating their actions, just like people coordinating traffic, ensuring the smooth flow of operations within the city. Food, delivering essential nutrients and resources to every corner, and construction in a city, constantly repairing and rebuilding to maintain infrastructure. This cell communication, or signaling, is a complex network of interactions, is how your heart beats, rhythmically pumping life-sustaining blood, your lungs breathe, exchanging vital gases to keep you energized, and your muscles move, allowing you to interact with the world around you. Without it, you couldn't grow, developing and maturing over time, heal, repairing damage and restoring function, or fight off illness, defending against harmful invaders and maintaining your well-being. For example, when you touch something hot, a potentially dangerous situation, cells in your skin send a rapid message, an urgent alert to your brain, the central command center, which instantly tells your muscles to pull away, preventing further harm. This relay of information happens in a split second, demonstrating the incredible speed and efficiency of cellular communication, keeping you safe and alive, a testament to the power of this intricate system. As we explore this microscopic city, delving into its hidden wonders, we'll see how cells send, transmitting vital instructions, receive, interpreting incoming signals, and act on messages, responding appropriately to maintain balance, using their own secret language, a complex code that governs their interactions. Let's dive into the science, uncovering the mysteries behind how we function and stay healthy, appreciating the incredible complexity of our bodies. So, how do cells talk to each other? It's a fundamental question in biology, and the answer is surprisingly complex and elegant. Cells don't have voices, of course, but they communicate constantly, coordinating everything from your heartbeat to your immune response. They use chemicals, signal molecules, like text messages being sent between phones. These molecules are the language of the cell. These signals can take many forms. They can be hormones traveling through the bloodstream to distant targets, neurotransmitters zipping across synapses to relay messages between nerve cells, or proteins acting as local messengers within a tissue. Each signal molecule is carefully crafted, each carrying a specific instruction, a piece of information crucial for the cell's function. But a message, no matter how important, is only useful if it's actually received and understood. That's where receptors come in, specialized proteins strategically positioned on a cell's surface or sometimes even inside the cell. Each receptor is uniquely shaped to fit only certain signals, ensuring that the right message gets to the right cell. It's like a mailbox with a unique keyhole, designed to accept only one specific key. Only the right key, the correct signal molecule, can unlock it and initiate the next step. When a signal binds to its receptor, like a key fitting perfectly into a lock, it triggers a cascade of events inside the cell, a process known as signal transduction. Imagine tipping the first domino in a long line. One small initial event leads to a big amplified response throughout the entire system. The cell might be instructed to make a new protein, essential for growth or repair, move to a new location, divide and multiply, or in some cases even self-destruct if it's damaged or no longer needed. All of this depends entirely on the specific message that was received and the receptor that was activated. Think of it like ordering a pizza online. Your specific order, the signal, is carefully received by the restaurant. The shop, the cell, gets to work interpreting the order and preparing your pizza, and ultimately you get your delicious pizza delivered right to your door, the cellular response. Cell communication, therefore, is all about the intricate process of sending, accurately receiving, and then appropriately acting on the right messages at the right time. This complex and highly regulated system is what keeps your body running smoothly and efficiently, ensuring that all your cells are working together in harmony. Cells, the fundamental units of life, are constantly communicating with each other. This intricate communication network is essential for coordinating various biological processes, ensuring the harmonious functioning of our bodies. Cells have four main ways to communicate, each tailored to specific needs and distances. These methods vary depending on the distance the signal needs to travel. First, we have autocrine signaling. This is where a cell sends a message to itself. like a reminder note, ensuring it carries out its functions correctly. It's a form of internal communication, allowing the cell to regulate its own activities. Next is paracrine signaling. Here, messages go to nearby cells like whispering to a neighbor, a localized form of communication. This is crucial for healing wounds, where cells need to coordinate their actions to repair damaged tissue. Then there's endocrine signaling. In this method, hormones travel through the bloodstream, acting as messengers that can reach cells throughout the body. This allows signals to reach distant cells, like a citywide broadcast, affecting multiple organs and tissues simultaneously. Only cells with the right receptors, acting like specific locks for particular keys, respond even if they're far away, ensuring that the message is delivered only to the intended recipients. Finally, we have juxtacrine signaling. In this case, cells communicate by direct contact, like a handshake. A physical connection is required for the signal to be transmitted. This is vital during development, where cells need to interact closely to form tissues and organs. Each method ensures messages reach the right cells at the right time, with remarkable precision. This variety allows your body to coordinate everything, much like an orchestra conductor leading a symphony. From local repairs to whole-body changes, cellular communication is at the heart of it all. Whether it's a quick whisper or a long-distance call, cells have evolved sophisticated ways to communicate. Cells have a way to get the message across, ensuring that the right information reaches the right destination. These four types form the backbone of cellular communication, providing the foundation for all biological processes. Let's see how they work in real life, exploring the fascinating world of cellular interactions. Real-world examples make cell signaling come alive. Endocrine. After eating, your pancreas releases insulin into the blood. Only cells with insulin receptors respond, taking in sugar and lowering blood sugar levels. Paracrine neurons use neurotransmitters to send messages across tiny gaps, letting your brain process thoughts and control movement in milliseconds. Autocrine immune T cells release cytokines that bind to their own receptors, ramping up their response to invaders. Juxtacrine immune cells physically touch to activate each other, like an antigen-presenting cell showing a T cell what to attack. Each type of signaling is tailored for its job: fast, local, distant, or direct. These conversations keep you thinking, moving, healing, and fighting off germs. Without them, your body's systems would fall apart. Cell communication is the secret behind every action and reaction in your body. It's teamwork at the tiniest level. With so many signals in your body, how do cells avoid chaos? Specificity. Each signal molecule fits only its matching receptor, like a key in a lock. Only the right cells have the right locks, so only they respond to certain messages. For example, thyroid hormone only affects cells with thyroid receptors, ignoring others. This lock-and-key system keeps communication precise and organized. When a signal binds its receptor, it triggers a cascade, like a relay race, amplifying the message inside the cell. One signal can cause a huge response, such as adrenaline triggering a burst of energy. This efficiency means tiny amounts of signals can have big effects. Specificity and amplification make cell communication powerful and reliable. It's a beautifully engineered system. What happens when cell communication fails? Big problems. Cancer can result when cells ignore stop signals and keep dividing, sometimes making their own faulty signals or having broken receptors. In type 2 diabetes, cells stop responding to insulin, the message to take up sugar is lost, leading to high blood sugar. Autoimmune diseases happen when immune cells misread signals and attack the body's own tissues. These breakdowns show how vital precise communication is for health. Even small errors can lead to serious disease. Understanding these failures helps scientists develop better treatments. Fixing the wiring can restore health or prevent damage. The balance of cell signaling is delicate and essential. When it works, you thrive. When it fails, disease can take over. Cell communication is like your body's internet, an invisible network connecting trillions of cells. Signals are data, receptors are addresses, and responses are programs running. Scientists are mapping these pathways to understand health and fix disease. Many modern medicines target these signals and receptors, blocking harmful ones or boosting helpful ones. By decoding this network, we can design smarter, more effective treatments. Picture your body as a digital city, alive with messages and teamwork. This hidden network is the secret to life, health, and the future of medicine. Science is cool,